हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 88 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। ये हमारी बुक 1 ग्रामर का एक्सरसाइजेज है। इसमें जो टॉपिक है वो है preposition. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. The Nizam subscribed a handsome sum to the flood relief fund. His friends condoled with him in his bereavement. He quarrelled with me over a trifle. He readily complied with my request. He dispensed with the services of his dishonest clerk. He yielded to superior force. He despaired of success. He supplies the poor with clothing. His friends disagreed with him on that point. He acceded to my request. He abstains from liquor. He was found guilty of manslaughter. He is incapable of doing the work. He is married to my cousin. He is sensible of your kindness. He is true to his king. He is involved in difficulties. The author is entitled to his remuneration. I prefer tea to coffee. I don't concur with you in that opinion. There is no exception to this rule. I am obliged to you for your kindness. I am not envious of his success. I am convinced of the necessity of prudence. We should rely on our own efforts. I inquired of the servant if his master was at home. I purposely refrained from saying more. I insisted on going. I exchanged with him my calculator for a camera. I assented to his proposal. I am not satisfied with your explanation. You must conform to the regulations. He did not profit by experience. We should all aim at excellence. Alcohol is injurious to health. He is innocent of the crime. The stories in that book are full of interest. Don't disassociate with disreputable people. Do not indulge in strong language. He is grateful to his master for many favors. He is dependent on his parents. He is abstemious in eating and drinking. He is prompt in carrying out orders. He is vain of his attainments. He is deficient in common use sense. He is vexed with me. He is indifferent to his own interest. He is proficient in mathematics. He is not ashamed of his neighbors. He is devoid of sense. He is suspicious of all his neighbors. He has a passion for arguing. Recently, there has been reduction in the price of milk. He proved false to his friend. A square may be equivalent to a triangle. The avaricious man is greedy for gain. He is very different from his brother. The headdress of the Cossacks is similar to that of the ancient Persians. He was born of, or either you can write to, humble parents in Nasik. His views do not accord with mine. तो ये है आपकी एक्सरसाइज ऑन prepositions. इसमें कई सारी एक्सरसाइजेस हैं जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ prepositions पर बेस्ड है. मिलते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 89 में. तब तक सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन.